Model, 63-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC long wheelbase, diesel 2.0 CDTI 115 ecoFLEX Van 6-speed factory SAT nav injector issue repair grin. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 121,975. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine but has a cylinder 2 injector misfire, which has been diagnosed as an injector issue. This is well looked after for its age, bodywork looks spot on. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative